In today's video, we are going to talk about something super important for anyone who owns a pressure washer. The different types of pressure washer nozzles and how to use them. Picking the right nozzles for your cleaning job can make all the difference, whether you are washing your car, cleaning your deck, or power washing your driveway. Welcome to MG Factor. First, let's talk about the basics. Pressure washer nozzles are color coded and comes in various degrees, each providing a different spray pattern and pressure intensity. These nozzles control the flow of water and determine how powerful or concentrated the spray will be. The color coding makes it super easy to choose the right one for the job. Now let's talk about them in detail. The green nozzle is your go-to for general purpose cleaning. With a 25-degree spray angle, it provides a wider fan pattern that's great for cleaning decks, patios, and even washing your car if you are careful. This one gives a balance of power and coverage. Ideally, we can use it for deck, patios, and vehicle. It has got a balance of a good mix of pressure as well as coverage. As you can see here, we are doing it as a demo on a soft wood as well as on a piece of concrete. This is the red nozzle or 0-degree nozzle, and it shoots a laser focused jet of water in a straight line. It's the most powerful and concentrated nozzle, perfect for removing stubborn stains like paint or graffiti. But you have to be very careful. This one can damage surface like wood or paint if you are too close. This is ideal for tough stains, concrete, and metal surfaces. Be careful while using this, as it can cause damage to sensitive surface like wood or car paint. Next up is the yellow nozzle, which gives you a 15-degree spray. This one is great for heavy-duty cleaning, like removing dirt and grime from concrete or bricks. It still delivers a powerful stream, but with a little more spread than the red nozzle. It can be used for driveway, sidewalks, and metal surfaces. It's strong but slightly less intensive than the red nozzle. The black nozzle or the soap nozzle. We have the black nozzle, which is designed for low pressure soap application. If you are using detergent or foam, this is the nozzle you want. It mixes the soap with water and applies it evenly, making it easier to break down dirt before a more powerful rinse. This is ideally for applying soap or detergent. It has got low pressure, used to prep surfaces before high pressure cleaning. Now let's talk about the white nozzle. With 40-degree spray, this one provides a wide, gentle spray that's perfect for delicate surfaces. It's great for rinsing off cars, windows, or siding without worrying about causing any damage. This is ideally used for cars, windows, and house siding. It's very gentle, provides a safe cleaning options for sensitive surfaces. Bonus tip: if you are looking for an extra power, consider using a turbo nozzle. It spins the water in a circular motion, combining the power of a 0-degree nozzle with the coverage of wider spray. It's perfect for tough jobs like concrete cleaning. And there you have it. Each nozzle has a specific purpose, so make sure you choose the right one for the job to avoid damage and get the best results. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more helpful tips and DIY projects. If you have any questions or favorite nozzles, let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.